Hey y'all, I'm coming to show you, I hope this is the last of our mega sale haul. Of course, the mega sale, there is another one starting up. I gotta stop. I gotta stop. All my little hauls are adding up. And even though it's stuff that we'll use, it's like it's taking a lot of my time. It is taking a lot of time. It's fun to me though, so it's like a hobby anyway. So it's something to do. Anyway, let's get with it. The Bush's beans were not mega, but they were 4 for $5, and you have a $1 coupon, so that makes them 4 for $1 because you use $1 off of 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's $5. Take away 4, 1, 2, 3, $4 each. That makes them 4 for $1. And then because our Kroger, the lady told me that we had 4 light coupons. I've always heard it was 5, but she said 4. Not going to argue. I didn't even try to do 5, but so I went to another store and got these. So this is over 2 different stores, unfortunately, because I was looking for Suave. I went ahead and got 5 more of the turkey uncured franks because they're turkey and because they're uncured. And they were 99 cents. So I got 5 of them to make up the 5. I got a skinny pack. The skinny pack of the Skinny Pop. Maggie loves taking these, and she's going to deplete our supplies that we got. So I'm going to pick one of those up. And I probably should have got more, but, I just got one. The coupons are still good for a while. I think they're good through October. These were a woohoo, the squeezable grape jelly. And because now I heard that Maggie can take PB&J for lunch, just not she can't take any kind of peanuts for snack, but for lunch she can take it. So I thought I'd go ahead and get that. We are running low anyway. They were 50 cents a piece. I don't know if that's a good deal because they are, it's kind of a small ounce there, but I can't see what it is. That's why I showed you. But anyway, she's going to freak out that it's squeezable. She loves squeezable stuff. And then these were woohoo, and I got these on a second transaction because I wanted the triple points. And then these are woohoo, $2.79, and I had I found a hang tag kind of. They were a coupon that was by the product, and I got those coupons actually at Tom Thumb. So I didn't get those coupons at Kroger, but they were $1 off of 2, so that was 50 cents off each. So not bad for some good bacon. So see, keto, and keto. All my keto folks, and then of course all this stuff can be keto too. But I found some Suave. We are loaded up on the Detangler. That's what we need most of all, but I went ahead and got some shampoo too. I got some shampoo when the smaller ones were $1.99, but these are the bigger ones. So I went ahead and got 4 of those, and then 4 of these. Their coupons are used 2 a day. Well, I kind of fibbed and went to 2 different Krogers, so I used 4. It's $2 off of 2, so let's see. Then I got the Kotex. Those are hard to find right now, but I went ahead and got 4 of those. I needed them for fillers, I think is what it was. And then I got the Finish. Of course, I didn't get the ones that were the smaller size that are free. But at one of the Krogers I went to, the lady was not having this overage. She said she could not take the coupon if it created an overage. So she actually told me I couldn't use the coupon on the Kleenex because that would give me a penny overage. The next one, maybe they have that rule too, but the guy took them, and I went ahead and took advantage of that. The Huggies was $1, was 99 cents, and then there was a $1 coupon, which she wouldn't have been able to take, but my coupon was expired anyway, so she didn't take it. Let's see. I think I went over everything. The Skinny Pack has the $1.99 coupon. It has a $1 off of 1 coupon, which makes them $1.99. The bows were 50 cents a piece. Maggie doesn't know if she's a bow girl or not, but I got her 2 cute little bows. I think she might like the rainbow one, and then the orange one will be good for Halloween. So anyway, I think I went over everything, and I might go back to get some more beans because, for $1 for 4 cans, that's not bad. I just don't. Today's the last day, and I don't know if they're going to be on sale again or not, but maybe Winco might have them cheaper. Might have them cheap too. I don't know. So anyway, if I get to go back out, I have to volunteer today. So if I have time after I volunteer, maybe I will. All right. Thanks for watching. Okay, y'all, I went back. You know, I thought about it and I was like, I was right here because I went to the Dollar Tree. There was another Kroger right across the street. I had some time to kill. I'm going to have to get me a job because couponing cannot be my job. I need something to do. I think I need something to do because we are so stocked up and it's only been a week and 1 day since Maggie has been in school. And yesterday I didn't get the coupon because I had somewhere else to go. And a couple of days last week I need to find something to do. Anyway, I went back and I got some more of the beans. You know, these will be used, and if not, we don't really go through canned goods very often, but these are something to have. I mean, we're not preppers, but just in case of emergencies, this is something good to have. And also, especially the pinto beans. I sometimes when I'm not following a low carb diet, I'll put these in my taco meat and stretch it. So that's really good. And I use them during the holidays for potlucks when I make my tacos, when I make my baked tacos. So they will get used, and they'll get used for Labor Day as well. So they will get used, and then they're good to have on hand in case of an emergency. This time I did use I got the right thing. They didn't have the jars of these. You know, on my other video, I'd used the wrong, I got the olive oil. Whoops. So this time I wanted to try the avocado oil, so I was a little disappointed, but I was excited that I got the bigger thing. But the size was okay. It was the variety that wasn't. So I got the right one this time, and I get to try that. Let's see. Thing of Skinny Pop, I'm eating one of them. Y'all, the struggle's real. I was so hungry. I got 2 more things of Suave, because we will go through this. Maggie's set on Suave for the rest of her kid life. But the Detangler we both will use. So, and she likes to spray it, and she goes a little heavy-handed, so that will get used. And then I needed the filler. These are not free this time, so this wasn't the best filler to have. They were ended up being like $1, 50 cents a piece or something like that, because they were $1.99 instead of $1.49 a piece. Kleenex, I got those. And then this one right here, be careful. I know this is the last day of the sale, but my battery's running down. Be careful with this. This was marked, not only, and I'll put a picture in. Excuse me. Not only was this marked BOGO, it was marked the buy one get. It was BOGO is buy one get one free. It was marked BOGO and Mega, so it wasn't supposed to be both of those, and it didn't even come off a BOGO. The gentleman did adjust it because I told him, and I went back and took a picture and showed him. So he honored it, and then he had to honor the buy 5 too. So he just took $5 off at the end of my transaction. But at first I was gonna just let it go. But this is the last day of the sale, y'all. That sign has been up all week, obviously. I haven't looked, but why would they have put the sign up just today? Okay, there were other signs back there when I went back to double check. There were other signs back there that you could see that were torn. The Mega part was torn off, but this one they left on there, and it was for this variety. So I'm just saying, I don't feel bad about it, because the last day of the sale, they should have their shit right. Anyway, and then I got 2 lonely zucchinis because Mama's having zoodles tonight. So anyway, this is it. The last of this round of Mega. And I don't know what I'm going to buy next week. So far, I don't see anything I just have to have. But, I'll be doing some hauls. Okay, thanks for watching. And come back in a little bit, because I'm going to have a Dollar Tree haul with coupons. I had a good time at Dollar Tree. When I couponed before. Anyway, I'll say all that when I get on the Dollar Tree haul. But anyway, I'm going to do it in a separate video. Thanks for watching.